Pulling out the coupe in the lot. Going for 12 for a swat. Busting all the bells out the box. Hit the lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field.
Oh, hell no. Oh, shit, it's actually kind of deep.
I'm trying to use deep, bro. Look at my car. Look at your car, bro. In London, mate. This is crazy. Snowball fight, bro?
No shit, hell no. Oh, shit. Good morning, Vietnam! No, just kidding.
Good morning, Vietnam!
What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So I'm here at the St. James, and I left earlier this morning, and it was snowing a little bit, but now it is a lot of snow. So I'm in a little bit of trouble because I don't know how I'm gonna get home. It's snowing really hard, and we're expected to get about 7 inches.
That's what she said.
I wasn't really expecting this much snow because usually, you know, what happens is that it usually just turns to rain.
And now here's Ollie Williams with the Blackie weather forecast. Ollie? It's gonna rain!
And they do a much better job of laying down some salt. They have a lot of snow plows cleaning the roads, but today it was like non-existent. Like no one was out, no one was cleaning the roads, and the roads are really bad. So yeah, so I don't know how I'm going to get home. Hopefully they clean the roads soon, but right now I just finished the soccer portion of my soccer training with Dylan and Daniel and Wilson, so thank you guys for coming out. I don't know how those guys are gonna get home. Wilson left, so hopefully he made it home safely. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna head to the gym and just relax a little bit and just wait till hopefully the roads clean up a little bit, because I just feel like it's not the safest time to leave. And the van is doing well, but it's a front wheel drive car, so it's not gonna do that well. But yeah, hopefully I can get home soon. But I'm gonna take you guys outside to show you a little bit of how it looks. And you know, in Virginia we don't get that much snow. I mean, we do, but it's been a while since we have gotten this much. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
You gotta rap to this, bro. Freestyle. Stuck in the snow with all these hoes. Hey, you can't say that. We can't say that.
Made it.
Alright, bro. Here, bro. Come on, bro. You got it. It's a shrimp. Can you do it? Can you do it? My little sibling. We're gonna see for the friends, bro. This guy goes up here. Yeah?
Yeah.
He can do this?
Yeah, easy does.
I don't think I can do that. He jumps higher than himself.
He's not playing. here with Daniel behind the camera. I'm here with Dylan, and we're hitting a little bit of upper body strength and plyo, take some explosive work. So first we're gonna be hitting a heavy bench, and then we're gonna superset it with some explosive banded push-up, plyo push-ups. So right now I'm hitting, what's this, 45 and a 35. So I think that's like 205. So I've been hitting it each set for about anywhere from 5 to 6 reps. And this is the first time I'm using this slingshot, and I gotta say it helps a lot. So I'll be hitting 225 hopefully for a couple reps in the near future. So let's get it. But yeah, I mean, they felt really good. Honestly, could probably hit out another 2 reps, but I don't want to push it that much. So now we're gonna hit the plyo push-ups. Shout out to Brother Ferris.
How you feeling, bro?
Exhausted, bro, exhausted. Chest is fatigued.
Hell yeah, bro.
Trying to get those double Ds.
That's what it is, yeah,
Yes, sir. We'll see you guys in the next clip.
Josh, don't do this. Yeah. Knocking, boots broom on Miley. When I pop out like likeness. Polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Killed that. In the AM, going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bonds me. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never made a promise. She wants seed, told her nothing in a blossom. Badging me for info at the shipper to Wisconsin. Only good for the lozenge. My whole contact list hit it, I don't even want it. Sing, show the jet love, but it never meant much. Never make decisions off a head rush. I've been down to 10 bucks. IRS kept track for 10 months. Had to switch how I went about it. Dues paid, collected all the loose change that I had left. Blew it on a new game. Set the high score, played it, the machine stops. King's Cross, had to reconnect the where the jeans start. And get the deed done. They expected me to switch when I receive love. Gotta let the marathon run its natural course. I can feel the force. Knocking, boots broom on Miley. When I pop out like likeness.
Gotta get that left foot like Harry Kane. Tries to like throw me off. He moves like 2 feet to the right when he's like right there and I'm playing it right to him.
Listen,
and
hey,
he's
when we
moving to
play
the
the
left.
Bobcats, it's a little further away, right? Like we're like beaming it. We're so close.
I was like, Philip's saying this at the
I won. Hey, my hash. We were 2-2. No, I beat you.
yeah, but a game.
win's a win.
We're going,
Listen,
we're going first to 3. He almost fumbled too. He was 2-0 up, 2 games up, and I come back to 2-2. He was scared. He was.
Mate, we're doing first. That's out of 3. I won. No, we didn't do that first. First to 3.
Hell yeah, brother. That's how we do it.
Read these.
How much snow is it? Like 6 inches. Where's the sidewalk? What's up, guys? So I just finished the gym session with Daniel and Dylan. It was really good. We ended up doing a little bit of upper body, as you guys are going to see. And yeah, it was overall really good. We ended up going to the steam room, relaxing a little bit. We chilled in the lounge. We had a little bit of snacks. And since it stopped snowing, we're hoping that the roads are going to be clear. So hopefully everyone gets home safely. But I cleaned up the car a little bit with my arm. Sadly, I did not come prepared, and that's on me. But now I'm gonna try to head home. I cleaned a little bit of the outside. My feet are a little bit wet because the sidewalk was not clear. It had about 6 to 7 inches of snow, so I did not come prepared. I should have brought my hiking boots or even my snow boots. But yeah, now I'm gonna head home. It's a bit windy, but hopefully make it home safely. Fingers crossed, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that.
I'm sad right now. Why am I sad?
Yeah, let's get to work, bro. What are we doing? Just sitting down.
Hey.